Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and app access. Sign into the same Microsoft account on your iPhone and the device that has your world. Next, install TestFlight if the preview is distributed through Apple's beta channel. This grants early access. Once done, make sure you have enough free storage, at least 3 GB, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This avoids install failures. Finally, open the App Store to check iOS 15 or newer. Because modern previews target current system API, you now accept the preview invite inside TestFlight or opt in from Minecraft's profile settings. This triggers the download of the preview build. During install, allow any requested permissions, camera or microphone, so features work properly. Once the build finishes, sign in with your Microsoft account in the preview app, then enable cloud saves and multiplayer in settings so your worlds and sessions sync. If you're migrating worlds, export or backup first, because preview builds can change save formats. You're at the finish line. Open the preview and load a small test world to verify features. Don't jump into your main save immediately. Play for several minutes to confirm controls, add-ons, and multiplayer stability. If everything looks good, migrate larger worlds and continue backups. If something goes wrong, use the in-app feedback to report bugs with logs. As a troubleshooting step, reinstall the preview, clear the app cache, or revert to the stable release while preserving your backups to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.